A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to start the second chapter of GK in class 8, that is the dynamic duos, means the siblings which made the entire country proud from their work. So let's start. Here we go for the very first one, that is Rahul Banerjee and Dugla Banerjee. Rahul Banerjee and Dola Banerjee are one of the few Indian siblings duos to have played at the Olympics, though they cannot compete together. They had made India proud in archery at national and international levels both. Dola was a part of the 2004 and 2008 Olympics contingent, while Rahul played in 2012. It was the first time that an Indian women's team had qualified at Athens 2004. Now, the second one is Irfan Pathan and Yusuf Pathan. They have made the country proud in cricket field. This duo of Pathan brothers has made an immense contribution to the game of cricket. As Irfan Pathan is famous for taking hat-trick in the first over of a test match against Pakistan, while Yusuf Pathan is famous for hard-hitting batting style. Yusuf Pathan and Irfan Pathan share a very close bonding when not playing cricket also. The brother often seen bonding. Yusuf recently played in Dhaka Premier League, while Irfan was having his off time in between. Both have contributed well to Indian cricket and enjoy a sizable fan following also. Now, the third one is Ganesh and Kumresh, the dynamic violinist duo. They are famous for this name. Ganesh and Kumresh are noted Indian duo of violin players who are a part of Carnatic music fraternity. The brothers are best known as a modern contemporary artist who have done lot of services to Shastri Sangita. They are a dynamic duo of violinists who have carved a niche for themselves in the era of a great violinist. The brothers have gone deeper into the realm of the music and brought out a refreshingly original content and style for the instrument. The next one is Shanmukh Priya and Hari Priya. They are known as the great Carnatic musician duo. They hail originally from Abrapulam in East Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. They started learning Carnatic music from their father, Sri V.V. Subbaram, at an early age. In order to nurture their musical talent, their father shifted base to Chennai. Later they became the disciples of renowned duo Radha and Jayalakshmi. They learned many nuances and subtleties of music during the 5-year tenure under Radha and Jayalakshmi. And they are better known as Priya sisters. Now, next one is about Ekta Kapoor and Tushar Kapoor. As you all know that Ekta Kapoor and Tushar Kapoor are well-known siblings in the Indian cinema. Tushar Kapoor is famous for his acting skill. He has given a very hit movie in the Indian cinema. He has worked in a very great series and a very hit series of the Indian cinema, that is Golmaal Returns. And Ekta Kapoor is a great director. She has greatly contributed to Indian television serials. She has made many hit serials. Now next we come to Zoya Akhtar and Farhan Akhtar. Zoya and Farhan are the kids of veteran lyricist and scriptwriter Javed Akhtar and Hani Irani. As you know that Farhan Akhtar is a great playback singer, a composer and an actor as well. He has also worked in many movies. He has worked in many great hit movies. Zoya is a famous and a great director. Has she has directed a very good and hit movie Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, which was a great blockbuster. Now the next duo is Salim Merchant and Suleiman Merchant. This sibling duo are music composers in Bollywood. Their ancestors are from Mumbai, but they were born in Mumbai. Salim and Suleiman have been composing music for over a decade, having scored for movies such as Neel and Nikki, Chak De India, and Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi and Fashion. Salim Merchant was one of the 3 judges of the 5th season of Indian Idol on Sony Entertainment Television, India. They have also worked on many Bollywood remakes. Is about Preetha Reddy and Sunita Reddy. They are the entrepreneur duo who is the managing director and joint managing director of the Apollo Hospital. Reddy joined Apollo Hospital as a joint managing director in 1989 before being promoted to managing director. Under her direction, the hospital increased the number of beds is housed and helped Apollo Hospital gain its quality certification. In 2012, Reddy was elected to the board as independent director of medical technology company called Medtronic. 2 years later, Reddy succeeded her father as executive vice chairperson of Apollo Hospital. Now children, I hope you have got all the points about this dynamic duos. Now you learn this all the important points about all the dynamic duos. Now I am winding up your class. Now we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care, study hard, and goodbye. A very good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to start the second chapter of GK in class 8, that is